Hello, my today's topic is testing, details of testing, what is exactly testing is, then difference between validation and verification, as well as characteristics of testing. So testing, it is one of the important part in software modeling and designing. So let us see what is exactly testing is, or introduction to testing. Testing is a set of activities which are decided in advance, that means before the start of development, and organized systematically. In the literature of software engineering, various testing strategies to implement the testing are defined. All these strategies given a testing template. So these are the following characteristics that process the testing templates. The developer should conduct the successful technical reviews to perform the testing successful. Testing starts with the components level and work from outside towards the integration of the whole computer-based system. Different testing techniques are suitable at different point of view. Testing is organized by the developer of the software and by the independent testing group. Debugging and testing are different activities. Then also debugging should be recommended in any strategy of testing. So let us see difference between verification and validation. So first of all, see verification. Verification is the process to find whether the software meets the specified requirements for particular phase. It is estimates an intermediate product. The objective of verification is to check whether software is constructed according to software requirement and design specification. It describes whether the outputs are as per input or not. Verification is done before validation. So it is previous step before validation. Then plans, requirements, specification, codes are evaluated during the verification. Verification is mainly checks and files and documents. Exactly opposite validation. Let us see what is exactly validation is. Validation is the process of checking whether the software meets requirements and expectation of the customer. Validation estimates the final product. The objective of the validation is to check whether the specifications are correct and specify the business needs. Validation explains whether they are expected by the user or not. It is done after the verification. Actual product or software is tested under validation. It is a computer software or developed program based checking of files and documents. So, strategy of testing. The strategy of software testing is shown in the context of spiral. This figure shows testing strategy. These are the testing, unit testing, integration testing, validation testing, and system testings are there. And code, design, requirements, and system engineering, these are the outputs. So this figure shows testing strategy. So see what is exactly unit testing is. Unit testing starts at the central and each unit is implemented in source code. Then next one is integration testing, and integration testing focuses on the constructions and design of the software. Then validation testing, it checks all the requirements like functional, behavior and performance requirements are valid or not against the constructions software. Then next one is system testing. System testing confirms all the system elements and performs are tested entirely. testing strategies for procedural point of view. As per the procedural point of view, testing includes following steps. First one is unit testing, then next one is integration testing, high order testing, and validation testing. These are the steps are shown in the figure. It includes all these types of testing. First one is unit testing, integration, high order testing, and validation testing. So this is a process from coding to design or to requirements up to testing directions. So this figure shows steps of software testing. Thank you.